Yeah, welcome back to the Crafty Bee channel. Today we'll be learning how to make an off-shoulder trendy raffle cape. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be the first to be updated whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and also thank you for your support. You guys are really great. So I have with me here on the table 1.5 yards of shining satin fabric, and also I have my scissors, my tape and my chalk. But you can use any fabric of your choice, a fabric that can bounce to give that beauty effect to your cape. So start with, you need the radius of your around shoulder where the cape is going to rest. Also, you need the length of your cape. The radius can be any neckline you want. It can be asymmetric neckline, it can be off shoulder. So you need the radius of that area. So I'm working with my across shoulder, but when I finish I will show you guys how to style it, maybe in 2 or 3 ways on my mannequin. So my radius is 5.2. The easiest way of getting your radius to cut your neckline, you will be dividing your around shoulder at 6.28, or you divide your around shoulder. Let's say the around shoulder I'm using is 42 inches. You divide the 42 inches by 2, and then you get 21 inches, and you are going to be dividing this 21 inches by 2, and then you get 10.5 inches, and you are going to be dividing this 10.5 inches into 2, and then you are going to get 5.2, because I'm going to be folding it to 8. And then next, you'll be determining the length of your raffle. The length of your raffle depends on how full you want your cape to be. You can use 18 inches, because this 18 inches you are going to fold it into 2 and you get 9 inches. So either you use 18 inches, 20 inches, 19, 21, depend on the fabric you have. But I'm using the length of 19 inches, and the across shoulder is 42 inches. So I'm going to be dividing the 42 inches by 8, and I'm getting 5.2. Let's get the work started. So I have with me a shiny face satin. This is the good side, and then this is the wrong side. As you can see, I fold it into 2 like this, and I'm going to fold it into 2 again. So I folded it into 4. So I'm going to be folding it again in a triangular form. I'm going to be marking the radius. So I need 5.2 inches here, 5.2. The material is moving, it's so slippery, so try and pin your materials down so that you can get what you are doing straight. So my radius divided by 8, I got 5.2. And then I'm going to be determining the length of my cape, and I'm going to be taking 19 inches. For 19 inches folded into two, I'll be getting 9.5. So 9.5 will be the final length of my cake. So I'm marking 19 inches from here. Let me see if the folded part will be, I think exactly. And I'm going to mark 19 inches all through. I'm going to connect it all the way to this place. So this is it. My across shoulder is 42. 42 divided by 8. I got 5.2. So 5.2 I mark on this line. And then I determine the length I want. But my fabric is not that big enough, so I took 19 inches. 19 inches all round. Now I'm going to cut it out. So next, you give some notches in the folded parts. So that it will be easy to align when you want to match the bottom to the upper side. You notch here, then you notch the middle part like so. Then you come to the bottom. Then you come to the other side, you notch it, you fold the middle part, and then you notch it. Then you come here also, you fold the middle part. And then notch it. So now I'm going to open it. You see, this side, the radius side is going to go around the shoulder, and then you see this side is small because it's for the around the shoulder, and this side is big. This side, when folded on this, is going to create the ruffles like so. You see, what you do is to open one side here for the zip line. So I'm going to cut this side open. So guys, before I match the notches, I'm taking it to my machine. I'm going to lock where it's going to go to where the zip is at the back. This is the good side. I bring the good sides together. Then I'm going to sew it like this, and I turn it open, turn it to the other side, and I'm going to do same to this side. Then I'll come and show you how to match the notches to get your ruffles. So I'll be back. So guys, I finished locking where we'll go to the zipper part at the back. I lock this side, and then I lock the other side. That will go to where the zip is at the back. So now I'm going to match the notches. I'll pin it so that you guys will see how it is. I'm taking the first notch, I'm matching it with the notch around the radius area. Then I'll pin. You see the notch here, and then I'm going to the second one. The notch is here, and then I take this notch, match it with this second one. When I'm matching the notches, you see the excess we have. So this excess, we are going to be pleating it. So this is how the ruffles is going to form. I'll continue pinning. When I finish, I'll show you guys. So I finished pinning all the ruffles, and I matched all the notches. I pin it. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to pleat the excess like this to fill this small space here, and I'll continue like this. So guys, I'm going to do it off camera and then come and show you. So guys, this is how it's looking like. It looks very beautiful. Our ruffle is ready, very easy to make. So now you can choose to leave it like this, or you can still create the crunches. Look at how beautiful it looks. I will be taking it to my mannequin, fix it, and then show you how to fix the scrunchies. I'll use needle and thread to be tacking it in between, or you can leave it like that if you want. It's all the same. It's very nice. This is how the ruffles is looking like. It's looking very beautiful, very elegant. So you can choose to leave it like this if you want, but you can still pinch it like this. And hold it like this, like this. You take your needle and thread. You can even design it with something. So I'll finish it up and show you. So I finished creating the scrunchie design. So guys, this is another design. You can fix it on the neck. So guys, comment with your favorite, which one you like. We come to the end of our today's video. If this video have been helpful to you and you find it interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye.